Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to redirect add to cart button to checkout page, or how to add direct checkout link in your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to add direct checkout option in your Shopify online store, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share everything step by step and the code snippet that you can use on your website. So let's get started. So I have already published an article in my website e-commerce thesis. You see, here is the article. Looks here. I have published it in my website, how to redirect add to cart button to checkout in Shopify, buy button direct to checkout Shopify. Okay, here all the details and code snippet, but I wanted to show you in real life. So here is one of the Shopify website, and right now I am on the home page, and you see there is a section named camp check now. So click on this button and then we are in the custom page, and you see here is two button. So our target is to, when someone click on here, they directly go to the checkout page, they don't go to any cart page. Okay, so right now if I click on it, it does not go to anywhere. Looks here, if I click on it, it does not go anywhere. So how we can do this? So first of all, we have to select the product. So I'm going to the backend or admin panel of this store. Here is the backend or admin panel of this store. Then click on the product, and we are going to select this product. Looks here, here is the product link. So copy this product link, then click online store, and click on the customize. Then go to the pages, open default pages, and looks here, here is the button section. So I'm going to add this product link in the button. Just add this link and click on the save. Asset save. Now if I reload and click on this link or button, it's go to the product details page, not in cart page or direct checkout page. But our main goal is to create direct checkout page. It will go to the direct checkout page, skip the cart page. Okay, so now we are going to the main things in our store. So now go to my website e-commerce thesis, open this article, because I have published a step-by-step guideline in here. Here you can learn all the details, but I want to save your time. Here is the full ready code, just you have to copy. So I'm going to copy it, open it, a new file, and you see we have to add our store URL. So we are going to add our store URL. Here is our store URL, copy it. Looks very carefully, store URL. Okay, then variant ID. So how you will get the variant ID? To get the variant ID, you have to go to the product page. Here is the product page. Then press Ctrl U from your keyboard and search this line of code. Looks here, you will get this line of code in my website e-commerce thesis, and I will share this article links in the video description, so don't worry about that. So copy it and Ctrl F, Ctrl V, and you see here is the variant ID. So copy this ID go back, add variant ID, then quantity 1. Perfect. Here is the final URL link. Just copy this link and go to our website, click on the customize and select pages, default, click on here, and we are going to add a link. In here, okay, then click on the save, and now go to home page, click on the check now champ, then click on it. Looks here, wow, it's working. So simple and easy. So I hope you understand the total process, how to add to cart to redirect option or featured in your website, or how to skip add to cart and directly checkout link in your Shopify online store. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.